is our no-bake peanut butter chocolate cheesecake that's creamy, rich, with those perfect chocolate and peanut butter layers. While Marcos already enjoyed the first bite, let's start from the very beginning. The crust is quick and simple, but it sets the whole tone. Once it chills, the rest just falls into place. If you want that really creamy and light texture cheesecake, here's a secret. Start with your cream cheese at room temperature and whisk it until it's super fluffy. We are using baking semi-sweet chocolate here. It melts smoother and sets firmer once chilled, so this layer holds its shape but still feels creamy. And when the chocolate goes in, make sure it's melty but not hot. That's how you keep the filling silky instead of grainy. And here's another secret. Don't whisk the cream to stiff peaks. Medium peaks are where the magic happens. It blends in smooth and keeps the cheesecake light. A quick wipe so the next layer looks clean. And here's another small secret. Chill it for an hour before the next layer. This prevents the layers from sinking into each other. Now we're gonna make the peanut butter layer. This layer is the same process as before. Once you've done it, it feels easy. We are using creamy peanut butter, not natural one. It blends smoother and holds the texture better after chilling. Once this chills overnight, we'll finish it off with a glossy ganache. And that's the best part. And the secret of making it is keeping the cream hot enough to melt the chocolate but not boiling. That's how you get that silky even mix. And once it's cooled a bit, just pour it over. And when you're ready to serve, just run an offset spatula around the edges to help release it. A few chopped peanuts and Reese's on top, and it's ready. Look at that creamy, rich texture, all without an oven and so easy to make. You have no excuses, just go and make it. Marco's eating a slice and you should too.